Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got an exciting topic to discuss. How to invest your first $1,000 using Robinhood. Whether you're new to investing or looking for a user-friendly platform to start with, Robinhood can be an excellent choice. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to make that first investment wisely. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our financial tips and advice. Let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of investing with Robinhood, let's talk about why you should invest your money in the first place. First is compound interest. It explains how investing allows your money to grow over time. Next is beat inflation. Investing can help you beat inflation, preserving your purchasing power. Lastly is financial goals. It's important to set financial goals such as retirement or buying a home that investing can help achieve. Now that we understand the importance of investing, let's introduce Robinhood. Robinhood is a commission-free stock and cryptocurrency trading platform. Robinhood is a commission-free stock and cryptocurrency trading platform. It highlights its user-friendly interface and mobile app, and it's accessible to beginners, making it an excellent choice for anyone due to its simplicity. Okay, now let's dive into the practical steps of getting started with Robinhood. First, you gotta download the app. Download the Robinhood app from your app store. Next, you gotta sign up. Go through the sign up process, including account verification. Fund your account, and you gotta link your bank account and deposit your initial $1,000. Before you start investing, it's crucial to set clear investment goals. You can either set short-term or long-term goals, depending on what you are looking for. And you have to understand your risk tolerance and how it influences your investment choices. Next is diversification. There are many reasons why you should diversify your accounts and your investments to spread around the risk. Now that you have your $1,000 ready to invest, it's time to do some research. Go through all the stock selections, ETFs, and cryptocurrency, and check out what best benefits your risk tolerance and your future goals. You've done your research and you're ready to make your first investment. First, buy a stock. After going through your research process, go ahead and buy your first stock on Robinhood. Next is setting limits. You can set limits and stop loss orders to protect your investments. Congratulations, you made your first investment. But it doesn't end there. You need to monitor your investments closely. Be sure to use Robinhood's portfolio tracking tools to monitor your investments. I also recommend staying informed about market news and your investments performance. To ensure your success as an investor, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. First is overtrading. Overtrading can lead to high fees and losses. Second is emotional investing. The importance of keeping emotions in check during market fluctuations is key to being a successful investor. Next is the lack of diversification. You need to diversify your portfolio to spread risk. If you put all your chips in the same basket, you're bound to lose money. Besides the basics, Robinhood offers some additional features that can enhance your investing experience. For example, one is Robinhood Gold. This is a premium subscription, Robinhood Gold, for advanced traders. Another is dividend reinvestment. It allows Robinhood investors to automatically reinvest their dividends back into that stock or ETF. Investing your first $1,000 is just the beginning of your financial journey. It's important for you to be patient and to look ahead of your long-term investments. I encourage you to keep adding to your investments over time as you save more money. And that's a wrap. Congratulations on taking the first step towards securing your financial future. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. With Robinhood and the right mindset, you can grow your wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial advice. Thanks for watching and happy investing.